welcome back to another episode of KTR Videos. Today I am so excited to be opening up the brand new line by Shopkins called Happy Places. Here's the first pack that we will be taking a look at. It's called the Puppy Parlor Decorators Pack. And as you can see, it comes with a whole bunch of adorable petkins, plus 3 hidden petkins from another toy room. And after the puppy parlor, we will take a look at this adorable kitty kitchen decorators pack as well. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the puppy parlor pack here. Here is a quick glance at the flyer that it comes with. So it's not like your typical Shopkins little checklist. This one's different. So it has the puppy parlor up here and they're numbered, all the pieces. And then down below is where you can find the name that corresponds with the numbered petkin. And of course they have the different collections. They have the kitty kitchen, which we'll be taking a look at today as well as the dreamy bear. And let's see what else. And there's another one, which is the bathing bunny. Check this one out, guys. He's so cute. He is a side table. And look at that little face, a little puppy face and his little puppy ears. And there's his tail. And this one here is the Puppy Parlor TV. Again, these little petkins here don't really have names like all of these Shopkins and the petkins that we've seen in previous seasons. They simply tell you what they are. So this is the TV. I'm going to go on top of our little side table here. And this one is stereo. Very, very cute as well. It's like one of those old school stereo systems too. And this is the magazine rack over here. As you can see, it has an opening here so you can put the little magazines in there. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at those magazines too. So let's put this one down for a moment. And here it is. This is the magazine. Look how cute. I love it. So adorable. And you can put the magazine in here. And look how cute they are together. Oh my goodness. And here's the remote control, absolutely adorable as well, love it. And this one here is the Puppy Parlor standing lamp, so cute. And this one is the speaker that goes with the stereo, so you can set them up kind of like this, very, very cute. And this is the cushion, look at those little ears, I love it. And look at this one. This is the Puppy Parlor armchair. Love it. Look at that. This one might be my favorite one from this collection, guys. Look at this. This is a book, the Puppy Parlor book, but I love, love, love the glasses. And I love the fact that this actually opens up like that. And if you can find something small enough, perhaps you can stick it in there, or maybe not. But anyway, really, really cute. And here is the bookshelf, and of course we can take our Puppy Parlor book here and stick it inside like that. They're so cute together. And I almost forgot, inside of this little thing that it came with, this little container, there are 3 hidden little petkins here as well. So let's go ahead and open these up and check them out. Alright, so the first one, oh look how cute this one is. So this cutie is a sponge and she's from the Bathing Bunny set. I love the little face over here. Here we go with the next one. And let's see. Oh, it looks like it's another one from the Bathing Bunny set. Let's see if we can find out what it is exactly. So this one here is the Bath Caddy from the Bathing Bunny set. Alright, and the last one for this pack. Oh, look how teeny tiny and cute this is. So this one is a bar of soap and also from the Bathing Bunny. So all 3 hidden petkins that I got were from the Bathing Bunny. Now let's check out this adorable kitty kitchen set. And here's the first one. This one is Scales, so she's just a little kitchen scale. And this one is bread bin. So it's a bin that holds bread and it opens and closes, which I love that. I love how some of these things open and close. They're so cute. And this one is bin, as in a trash bin. Love the little tail in the back. And I think she opens and closes as well. Yes, she does. Look how cute that is. So you could put something in there if you wanted to, and then close it back up. And this one is chair. So it's an adorable little kitty chair. I love the little faces on these guys. And check this one out, guys. It's so teeny tiny, so I had to zoom in a whole lot, but this is a little kitty egg. How adorable. Look at that little itty bitty tiny face. I love this one. And look, she even has her little ears. And this one here is egg carton. So it's an adorable little carton that holds eggs, and it does open and close. As a matter of fact, look at that. Those little spaces look like they're perfect for this little one. So let's go ahead and put the little egg in here. Oh my goodness, is that not the cutest thing ever? So you can close it back up and then open it back up, and there she is. And this cutie here is a plate. Very, very adorable. I would love to have little plates like this. And this is a shelf, and it gives you a little bit of space down here and up here, so you can put little things up here. So for example, you want to put the scale on there, or perhaps a little carton of eggs. Nope, the carton of eggs won't fit. But anyway, it gives you space to put stuff there. And this is our kitty clock. So cute. It has a little stand back here, so I'm assuming you can actually stand this one up. Oh, you can. Look at that. So cute. Love this one, guys. This is a kettle. A cute, adorable kitty kettle. And this is our kitty microwave. I'll tell you what, I would love to have my kitchen decked out with these adorable little kitty petkins. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this one. Look at this. It's a loaf of bread. As a matter of fact, let me see if it would fit inside of our bread box here. Let's see. Let's open it up and stick it inside. I don't know if you can close it again. Oh my goodness, it almost closes too. How cute. Then open it back up, and there's the little face. Oh, it's so cute. All right, guys, just like the puppy parlor, it comes with this little container here. So you just take off the lid, and then inside we have 3 blind bags with some hidden petkins. So let's go ahead and open up the first one and see who we have. And oh, look at this cutie. This cutie right here is Camera from the Dreamy Bear set. And we actually have that packed, so I'll be opening that up for another video. Look how cute. Okay, let's see who is in blind bag number 2. And it's another bear one, but I'm not sure what it is. Let's check it out. Okay, so this one is a photo frame, also from the Dreamy Bear collection. Oh, look with his little eyes closed. Here is the last blind bag for the video. And it's a teeny tiny one. And oh, look at that. Okay, check this out. This is a photo, very, very tiny as you can see. And remember the camera that we checked out? It goes right in here. Look how cute that is. That is so adorable, isn't it? All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me as I showed you these adorable brand new Shopkins Happy Places sets. Do you guys have a favorite between the Puppy Parlor set and the Kitty Kitchen set? If so, leave it down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button as well. Well, guys, until next time, bye. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our Spanish channel.